Alrighty, we're looking at level 3 of solving linear equations. Okay, if you not ready for this level, then you may want to go back to level 2 or level 1. Alright, so in this level, we have a little bit of combining like terms and, well, mostly combining like terms. Okay, I'm thinking about the next level. We have some distribution, but only combining like terms here. So I want to start with the green. Okay, we'll start here with the green. All right, this equation here in the green, we have 4 is equal to 4a minus 2a is plus 6. So 4 is equal to 4a minus 2a plus 6. All right. So as we can see, there's two numbers here, two terms here that we can combine. Why can we combine these two? Because they both have an a, right? And they both don't have any exponents here. Okay, so that's one reason that they're alike. They're the same variable, and they don't have any exponents. Same number of exponents. Okay, so let's do that. We're combining 4a, and remember, include that subtraction symbol. What does that subtraction symbol mean here? It means that this is a negative 2. So when we rewrite this equation, we should rewrite it as 4 is equal to, what is 4a minus 2a, which is 2a. Okay, or you can think just 4 minus 2, and just don't forget your variable. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then plus 6. Alright, now our equation is in its simplest form. Now we can just solve for a. Okay, so solving for a, we have to first get rid of this 6 here, this positive 6. In order to get rid of the positive 6, remember the balancing beam. Okay, we have to subtract 6. Okay, now if we subtract 6 from this side, we also have to subtract 6 from the other side. These two numbers cancel out, right? So now what do we have? 4 minus 6. So we have 6 negatives. So think of it like this. If you owe someone $6, all right, but your parents give you $4, well, you take that $4 and you pay your friend back. All right, now you only can pay him $4. How much money do you still owe him? You still owe him negative $2. You still owe him $2. So think of debt as negative. Think of positives as money that you have. Okay. So we have negative 2 is equal to 2a. All right, or 2 times a. All right. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So we're dividing by 2. Okay, that cancels out. Dividing by 2. Whatever we do to one side, we do the same to the other side. So negative 2 divided by 2 is equal to negative 1. It's equal to a. Okay, let's move on to another problem. Let's move on to the problem in the purple. All right, so if we're reading this problem here, we have a negative 12 is equal to 2 plus 5n plus 2n. So we have a problem that needs to be simplified. This expression or this equation, same thing, it needs to be simplified. And how can we simplify it? By combining these two terms here. This positive 5n can be combined with this positive 2n. Okay, you can almost add those two in your head, right? Basically 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is, right, 7. Don't forget your variable. We're dealing with 5n plus 2n. So if I rewrite that out, rewrite this equation out, it should be negative 12 is equal to 2 plus 7n. All right, we combine these two things here. Okay. Okay. Had a little interruption. That's okay. So, looking at this problem here, we have negative 12 is equal to 2 plus 7n. Alright, we want to make our line, draw our line to separate the two sides. Right? Making it clear. Okay, so we need to get rid of this 2, right? We're trying to solve for n. Okay, we're solving for n. So to get rid of this 2, this is a positive 2, subtract 2. Whatever we do to one side, we do the same to the other side. Alright. Now at some point you don't have to maybe do these lines. You may start getting used to seeing it a certain way. But until then, I strongly advise making these lines here to make it clear to your eyes that you can see the difference. Okay? So you're basically training your eyes. Alright. So that cancels out. Negative 12 minus 2, same signs. Alright, when you adding and subtracting integers, same signs, you add them together. So that's negative 12 and that's a negative 2. Add them together. Negative 14. Is equal to our 7n. Divide by 7 on both sides. Why are we dividing? Because 7 times n, we need to do the opposite of multiplication. It is division. To cancel that out, divide by 7 on this side too, here on the same side. And what are we left with? Negative 14 divided by 7 is a negative 2 equals n. Okay, that is it.